Hello everyone. In the last video, I have discussed about step by step on UK skilled worker visa. So if you want to see that video, just click the link below in the description box or see this video, it will appear on end screen. Anyway, there are 5 types of long-term work visa available in the UK. Health and care worker visa is one of them. According to this, I will discuss today step by step about health and care worker visa. So, I am requesting to you, please watch the video until end. Otherwise, it will be difficult for you to understand the overall process. Skilled worker visa and healthcare worker visa process almost same, but still there is some difference like salary structure and profession. Health and care worker visa has some of the extra benefits like when you will apply for visa applications, you are not required to pay healthcare surcharge fees. And good news is that at present yearly minimum salary required £20,480, which is lower compared to skilled worker visa. For health and care worker visa, first of all, you need to get a job offer from home office approved UK employers, as well as you need a certificate of sponsorship from your employer, including information about the role you have been offered in the UK. Now, question may arise in here: how you can get health and care worker job offer? Answer is simple. Just visiting our website iclcounselling.com and click on information page where you will see the UK job posting website. Our website link has given below in the description box. Remember that when you will apply for a job, you should only apply for health and care workers jobs. If you apply for different job, then it will not work due to mismatch. So, what are the health and care workers job types? Answer is doctor, nurse, dental nurse, midwife, pharmacist, social workers, medical and dental technicians, pharmaceutical technicians, senior care workers, and so many. Just visit the .gov UK official website. Then you can see the full occupational list there. Anyway, the website has written below in the. Another important matter is that in health and care worker visa, you must receive at least £20,480 per year. But you need to cross check yearly going rate as well. However, if you have any doubt about minimum yearly salary or going rate, just contact with us. If you want to apply for health and care worker visa, you must prove yourself you can read, write, speak and understand English at least B1 level. B1 level is IELTS band score in between 4 and 5. You do not need to prove your knowledge of English if you are a national of one of the following countries. The country list you can find in the .gov UK official website. The web link has given below in the description box. If you got a job offer with certificate of sponsorship from UK employers as well as you have knowledge of English, then you can apply for health and care worker visa. Before you going to apply for health and care worker visa, just make sure you have sufficient money in your account to support yourself. At present, maintenance fund required, you must have at least £1,270 in your bank account for minimum 28 consecutive days. If your family members applies with you, then maintenance fund will be increased. For your civil partner, additional amount required now £285 and £315 for first child and £200 for each additional child. If you want to know more about maintenance amount, just visit the gov.uk official website. The web link has given below in the description box. Now, question is that which documents you need and how to apply for health and care worker visa. First of all, you need certificate of sponsorship. Secondly, you need proof of your English proficiency documents like IELTS and Pearson test results or others. Third documents should be your valid passport. Our recommendation is it should be valid more than 6 months. Fourth documents are bank statements. If you have a spouse and children, then you need to provide the proof of your relationship documents. Number 5, tuberculosis test results, that means TB test report. If you had stayed more than 6 months, these below listed countries. The country list you will get in the .gov UK official website. Anyway, the link has given below in the description box. In some cases, you may need police clearance certificate. Number 7, now you can apply for a skilled worker visa and pay the visa fees. If you are applying from outside of UK, usually you will get the decision within 3 weeks, and it will generally take 8 weeks if you are going to apply inside the UK. Benefits to work in the UK are, after 5 years, you can apply for permanent residency. We are requesting to you, when you are applying for health and care worker visa, just visit the gov.uk official website and follow the up-to-date information, because over a time period, rules and regulations are changeable. However, if you have any questions about health and care worker visa, then feel free to contact us via our website or email us. Our website address has given below. Our aim is to develop the peoples by the learning and developments. Also, we are providing them the accurate information as well as giving helpful advice so that they can be protected from various scams. Thank you very much indeed, and see you on a next video. Have a nice day and stay well.